guys, I'm back and I have my phone. So, cup stacking starts now. I forgot I can only do one cup at a time. This is harder than it looks. Plus, I have to get it down. Oh, you can't see that. Let me pause that. I don't really have like a good place to put the camera. So like I need it to be like there, but I don't have anything to stick with. Can you help me find a place to staple this? Like I need it to be stapled here. It can't, because then it'll just go like this. There. Alright, that's good. And resume. Here's the hard part. I have to start all over. No! Alright, wait. I don't have to start all over at least. Well, I do, but I'm starting from here. Ah! And I have 7 seconds to spare. That was hard. Okay, so the next challenge will be, I don't know what this one's called, but I have a bow, and I have to get it into my hands, but if I miss my hands, I only get, okay, so it's actually harder than it looks, but you can't like go like this. You have to start with it on top of your forehead and go, like try to get it down. And it's actually very hard, so I have 1 point so far. And I have to think of a consequence if I don't complete all the challenges. So let's get started. Go! I can't. Ah! No! Thank you. No! Nope, that did not count. So close. Ah! I cheated. I lost. Okay, so the next challenge is chocolate unicorn. So I'm gonna have 7, 1, 2, 3. 8, 4, 5. Well, that's not really. Okay, now it's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, and I'll just put it at 6. Okay, so my time starts now. It's gonna be so hard.
Yeah, but I'm gonna bring it into you.
Under a
I want the
minute.
syrup to get all over, you know?
Come on. I didn't say I couldn't do this.
should do that like every 2 weeks.
Huh?
You should do that like every 2 weeks.
Yeah, but August the 1st was the last time I looked.
Okay, I can look. I can look.
I didn't really.
Yeah, but that's only been a week.
So, yeah, I guess I have to think of a challenge. Be right back.